Use the function modify element shape, reshape between, in order to change a section of a curve. Click each of the 2 points between which you want to reshape, so to speak the 2 fixed or anchor points. Click then the point to be moved and move the cursor. The line is modified. Click where you want to set the new point. I show it again with some more details. Click each of the 2 anchor points. Regarding the movement of the point to be moved, it will be possible to use the direction tools. If you want to set the new point position exactly, use the spacebar after having clicked on the point. I show you another feature. It is possible to set the anchor points on 2 different elements that follow from each other, and to select the point between the 2 elements as third point.